crash, dents, dings, and repair bill shock, Three-Stage Auto Collision has you covered. Let's face it, accidents happen. And when they do, your car, your wallet, they take a hit. Repair process can be confusing, expensive, and time-consuming. Before you resign yourself to driving around your damaged vehicle, stop at Three-Stage Auto Collision for your free estimate. We're not your average collision repair center. Our collisions are I-CAR Gold certified, and they're Gold Platinum certified. That means they are the real deal. Our technicians use cutting-edge equipment and technology. With their top-notch training, rest assured your vehicle will be back to its pre-damage condition in no time at all. We work with all insurance companies so that your claim process is a breeze. Here's why Three-Stage should be your first stop. Number one, we speak not only your language, but your insurance company's language also. We handle all the communication and paperwork so you could just relax. We have it handled. Number two, transparency is key. We will explain your repairs to you thoroughly. We offer different options depending on your needs. We give you a detailed, itemized estimate and back all our repairs with a lifetime warranty. Number three, don't have insurance? No problem. We offer flexible financing options to fit your budget. And number four, your convenience matters. We provide towing services to get your vehicle to our shop right away. We can even help in rental car arrangements for you. Plus, we offer free pickup and delivery as needed. Don't let a fender bender turn into a major headache. Three-Stage Auto Collision is here to help. Whether you have a claim or paying for the repairs yourself, we get your car looking and driving like new, fast and hassle-free. We have over 40 years experience in auto body repair and painting. Call us today for a free estimate and see the difference experience makes. And this month only, we have a special offer of free headlight reconditioning with any repair. Remember, there's no repair too small or too large for Three-Stage Auto Collision.